Here we go, the moment of truth. Let's see how this tastes. Okay, now for the moment of truth. We've got our hot water. Just ignore my cat. Now, I don't know if you guys are more of a Mocha Joe kind of guy or a Latte Larry kind of guy.
Happy New Year, Larry! Happy New Year, Mocha Joe!
You like my Curb Your Enthusiasm reference? Love that show. If you guys like that show, Curb Your Enthusiasm, hit the thumbs up. Such a great show. Okay, so I got my hot water. Don't worry, I do not drink 1800 coconut tequila in the morning, okay? That's just for margaritas on Saturdays. So, here we go. We got the mushrooms. Now, there are several other mushroom coffee companies. So, this is just testing this one, okay? And the consistency is interesting. It almost looks like brown sugar, you know? You can see the consistency here, okay? Now, we're gonna go ahead and just pour a heaping teaspoon or tablespoon there. Again, it comes with the spoon, and I think my cat wants some mushroom coffee, huh? Okay, so we want to seal that up real good, store it in a cool, dry place. So I'm gonna just mix it up here, and I'm gonna try it first plain, and then I'm gonna add some of the superfood creamer that they give you a sample of. So, and it's got mushrooms and probiotics, the creamer. So again, if you're somebody that has ulcerative colitis, irritable bowel disease, irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, it doesn't have to be UC. It could be Crohn's, whatever your digestive issues are. You know, coffee creates extra motility and it can create diarrhea, things like that for people with irritable bowel disease or syndrome. So that's why I really wanted to try this. I suffer from ulcerative colitis. I got diagnosed right after that second COVID vaccine shot. That's not what this video is about. I'm not going to complain about that. That was my mistake. Okay, so here we go. The moment of truth. Let's see how this tastes. Okay, it tastes nothing like coffee. Nothing. I'm sorry. I'm not feeling it. It's okay. It doesn't have a bad taste to it. It just doesn't taste like coffee. I don't know why they call it mushroom coffee. I mean, at least maybe make it taste like coffee. That would help. I know that there are some companies that take these mushrooms and mix it with actual coffee. So that might taste better, you know, that might taste a little bit more like coffee, but then you're still drinking coffee. Now, granted, it's not as much coffee as just grinding some beans like this coffee machine here, like we do. We grind some organic beans here, but this, I'm gonna try it again now that it's a little bit cooler so I can get a bigger sip, and I'm gonna mix it up good. And then we're going to try it with the creamer and see. Yeah, no, it doesn't taste like coffee. I don't know what to say. I mean, I could add another spoon. It doesn't taste bad. It doesn't have an aftertaste. It kind of tastes like tea a little bit. Like, you know, you have all different flavors of teas. But it tastes like tea more to me. So now we're gonna add this creamer and try this. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of creamer because my wife wanted to try this and she'll kill me if I eat it all. So here we go. And this powder is white, you know, so I guess these are different colored mushrooms. The other stuff the coffee was more dark. And we're just gonna add a little bit of creamer there. And let's go ahead and mix it. Doesn't really get creamy or frothy or anything, but I mean, I didn't expect that. It's not bad. It doesn't taste bad. It doesn't have a bad aftertaste, but it doesn't taste like coffee. And it certainly doesn't taste like a latte or a cappuccino like I like. So the consistency is different than a cappuccino or a latte. Maybe not a cup of coffee or espresso. It's the same as that. But again, the taste, more like a tea. But this is certainly much healthier for you than coffee. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like tea and you just want to get off the coffee, it's definitely worth trying. This has a lot of health benefits. Mushrooms have a lot of health benefits. So, and it does have the cordyceps in it. So if you've ever watched the show The Last of Us on HBO, don't worry, you're not going to turn into a cordyceps zombie, I promise you. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.